You ever have those days where you just can't catch your breath? Your shoulders are up here, you're tense, you're tight, you just can't seem to get ahead. Or maybe you're holding on to something from yesterday. Well, welcome aboard. I'm Jake, and I created this channel. I start every morning, and I mean every morning, with approximately 3 minutes of breathing and being centered. Sometimes without a guitar, most of the time with. I can't guarantee the results of your meditative experience, and I can't diagnose, treat, or cure you. I'm just going to share my experience. By meditating, I'm calmer, healthier, and more present throughout my entire day. So hope this helps you, especially if you like guitar. Let's get into it. I was meditating once, and by that I mean I was just closing my eyes and breathing. And a couple minutes into it, this crazy, extraordinary white light filled my entire consciousness. My eyes were closed, and when you close your eyes, it's dark, right? Well, for me, everything got incredibly bright white. Not sure what that was.